Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. But even if you have a 15 or 17 model, video may be helpful as well. If you open, guys, okay, if you open the hood on your F-150, okay, you can see in the engine bay, right behind the car battery, you're going to have a fuse box. That's the cover right here. And when you open that fuse box, guys, it will look, okay, just like that. We have it, okay, zoomed in a little bit so we can clearly see what we'll be talking about. Now, let's first explain really quick why it's important to test fuses relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. You can, guys, see that you have different kinds of fuses. Okay, you have the mini blade, micro blade fuses, you have the JKs, low, high profile, you have mini fuses, guys. Okay, and those could be really expensive and hard to find at the parts stores. Relays as well, in small towns it's almost impossible to find them. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them for a good price, quick shipping. That way you don't waste your time and money, guys. So with that being said, okay, which fuses we need to check? 3 fuses we set. If we come, okay, you will be, okay, facing the fuse box, you'll be on the front side of the truck here, that will be towards the windshield side. And if we come right here in that fuse panel, right there, guys, okay, the fuse specifically that we'll need to check on the right side will be from bottom to top, 1, 2, 3. That 60 amp fuse will need to be checked in our case. That fuse right there. Then we have one more fuse, 2 more fuses, excuse me. And the next one will be fuse number 16, guys, okay, fuse number 61, excuse me. So you will come in this middle row right here. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. And that fuse right before the relays, that 30 amp fuse, that's the fuse that you need to check. Okay, that's fuse number 61, and then you have to check fuse number 107, which in our case, okay, if you come in that fuse panel here, will be 1, 2, that second fuse right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.